So today we will discuss about the method of estimating mean precipitation if the precipitation as measured by the gauge station available in the watershed is made available to you, then you can estimate the mean precipitation of the entire watershed. Suppose this is the watershed and you have suppose 4 gauge. This is G1, this is G2, this is G3, this is G4. And in a certain day, you know what is the precipitation measured by G1, what is the precipitation measured by G2, similarly G3, similarly G4. Then what you will do is, as per the arithmetic mean method, when you want to estimate the mean precipitation of this entire watershed, what you do is you put this formula P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4, and total number of gauge stations is 4. So this is your mean precipitation. So this is a very simple problem, but this method is valid, or you can only apply this method when the intervariance or interdifference between the precipitation measured by this 4 gauge is less than 10%. Always note, because if it is more than 10%, you cannot apply this method, as there will be a very huge lumping error or error due to lumping of the watershed. So if the variation is less than 10%, then you can apply this method. Otherwise, you cannot. So as you see, mean precipitation can be measured by arithmetic mean that we are discussing. Theism mean, I have a presentation on that, you can see it. And also I have a presentation about isoactor method, you can also go into that. But the easiest of them is arithmetic method. So this is the arithmetic mean method. If you have the precipitation as measured by n number of gauge, then the formula is like this. Here n is the total number of gauge station, Pn is the precipitation measured by the gauge stations, and then you add it. So this is the very simple formula for calculating mean precipitation. So you have to find the mean precipitation. What is this? Now you'll be provided with the precipitation as measured by the gauge station, like this is 10, 10, for example, 10, 25, 10, then it's 15. So what it is coming, addition, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 25, 45, 45 plus 10, 55, 55 plus 15 is 70. Now you divide it by 5 because there is 5 gauge station. So 5, so it is coming up to 14. So 14 millimeter is your mean precipitation of the watershed, having this 5 gauge, and the daily rainfall as measured by those 5 gauges like this. You apply arithmetic mean method and you find that the mean precipitation is 14 millimeter. Remember, you can apply this method only if the variance in between this precipitation value is less than 10%. Thank you.